Hello guys, welcome to my channel Mr. Good Channel 1, and today I want to show you a very cool mouse from Logitech. Model is M650L, L like large. This is Bluetooth mouse. Technical information is can work on Windows 10, 8 and 7, Mac OS, Linux and Chrome OS. It's very cool mouse. Let's open it. It can work 24 months from one battery. Information, instruction, and the mouse. As you can see, very good plastic, very nice, a button, and one of the most important features of this mouse is very quiet buttons. To compare you, I will show you several mouse from Logitech I have. This is mouse that I bought very long ago. You can compare the sound. This one. This is Bluetooth mouse. And now you can compare this one, the newest. As you can hear, very quiet. It's the main biggest cool new feature. Also a scrolling. As you can see, this mouse this one, quiet, and this. As you can see, very quiet. And this wheel have a technology that you can scroll very long. It will scroll automatically. Also, this mouse has several buttons you can set up on your PC, and let's check here. A button to turn on off, as you can see, a button to connect, and the battery. Also, we have a USB connector that has a new technology, as you can see. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel